is my apartment. My hyacinth is dying, which inspired me to want to turn its old vase into a new planter. So what I'm gonna do is take this potting soil I got from the Dollar General. It was $2.50 for 14 quarts of dirt. I don't know if you can measure dirt by quarts. And then I have been taking scrappings. This is gonna be my mulch. I mean, not my mulch, my compost. I'm gonna layer it with the dirt and some sticks and these rocks inside the vase to create its own little ecosystem. I got these stones, I guess they're decorative, from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna add them to the bottom of the vase. That'll give me space to see if I'm over flooding it, if the rocks are wet and the soil's wet, and that'll drown the seeds, and I don't want that to happen. I'm gonna fill them both. Went out and I found these branches. They were in, of course, the sidewalk, and because there's a tree there, and I picked up a bunch of them. I realized that I didn't think about it until after I brought them in that, oh yeah, dogs pee on shit outside. So I rinsed them off, I washed them. I'm going to break them down smaller and then stuff them into the bottom. What I believe I'm creating here is kind of hugelkultur. The idea is that these branches will break down, these kitchen scraps will break down, and I won't have to do very much maintenance to it. I worked at this hostel, West Baden Springs, Indiana, for 4 months, and I did essentially the same idea, but in the ground with tree trimmings, a lot of grass. We had to mow the lawn. It was like 18 acres. 9 of them was open field, and the other 9 were, or I don't know, I can't do math, was trees, forest. It was really beautiful. I wanted to make it pretty so that it was be clean, but at this point, I just want to get it done. I feel that someone's hair. That's kind of unfortunate. My hellish curse is to lose the hair on my head, but always find it everywhere. So in here I have bits of, what is this? Bell pepper, some cilantro, I've got avocado skin. Ooh, there's garlic. Oh, coffee and tea leaves actually. Oh no, when I dropped them in there I must have broken it. Oh, why didn't I think about that? The glass breaks. Dang it. I don't think it's gonna hold water. I thought I would be ready to plant bell pepper seeds today, but I think I want to wait until I get worms and see what this does. Also because I ended up putting a crack in this one. Wait, where is it? Well, there's a crack in there somewhere. Maybe it's in this one. I'm not sure if it's in the glass or if it's separating. I can't find it now. Oh, I also want to see if it'll leak. So, there's that. So, my hyacinth was pretty happy a couple days ago. Now, I put it in a bigger container, hoping that I would support it and also help it grow. That's Ella, and this is Crue. Crue and Ella. It's a shame. So we'll see what happens with them. Thank you for visiting my apartment. I'm David Carter, and this has been Designing David.